Welcome to another Bash Box video. We're always here to keep you up to date with crypto trends and news. In today's video we will be looking at Shiba Inu price prediction and a list of 8 other Dogecoin-inspired cryptocurrencies you should know about, and the new addition Floki recently named by Elon Musk. Shiba Inu, SHIB, the Doge imitator, launched under the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain's ERC-20 standard, trades on the decentralized Uniswap, Uni, network. On its blog page, the project calls itself the Dogecoin killer. The cryptocurrency is up 383.8% during the past 24 hours at $0.00001725. SHIB has a circulating supply of 394,796 billion. The cryptocurrency Dogecoin, Doge, emerged in 2013 as a joke, but has shot to prominence this year, partly due to celebrity endorsements from the likes of Tesla Inc., CEO Elon Musk, Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban, and rapper Snoop Dogg. Dogecoin is itself an altcoin, as cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin are often referred to, but there are now several imitators that are attempting to ride on the tailwind of the frenzy surrounding the Musk-championed meme crypto. Let's take a look at some of the Doge clones. Coming up on number 8 is Doge Cash, DOGEC, Doge Cash, which launched in October 2018 and trades on StakeCube, says its focus is to provide charitable contributions. Doge Cash has a circulating supply of 14.83 million coins, but users are unable to generate it through the process of mining. The altcoin is trading 9.4% higher over the past 24 hours at $0.1313 at press time. 7 Shiba Inu, Kishu. This Doge knockoff is an ERC-20 token launched last month that trades on CoinTiger and Uniswap. The altcoin is down 3% during the past 24 hours and trades at a negligible price. It has a maximum supply of 100 quadrillion coins. 6 Underdog, Dog, the Doge clone, which trades on PancakeSwap, has a maximum supply of 1 billion coins. Underdog is a community-based project with a special burn and reward mechanism, according to CoinMarketCap. The altcoin is down 17% during the past 48 hours and is trading at $0.001847 at press time. 5 Rendoge, RENDOGE. Rendoge is a 1-for-1 representation of Dogecoin on Ethereum's blockchain that trades on Uniswap and LinkSwap. Ren, an open protocol that claims to enable the movement of value between blockchains, launched Rendoge in January. At press time, RENDOGE traded 7.7% lower at $0.6608. 4 Doge Token, DOGET. Doge Token describes itself as a green and efficient version of Dogecoin. The top exchange for trading in Doge Token is currently Stellarterm. At press time, DOGET is up 4% at $0.002167. 3 DogeFi, DOGEFI. DogeFi is a gamified community that creates opportunities for its members to participate in price arbitrage and grants access to exclusive yield farming projects. The altcoin, which trades on Uniswap and CoinTiger, in the last 24 hours DogeFi is trading at 25 cents at press time. 2 DogeSwap. DogeSwap's issuers say they were inspired by Dogecoin to make decentralized finance, DeFi, more efficient and give high returns for yield farming. The cryptocurrency, which trades on Uniswap, FinXbox and VinDAX, hit an all-time high of $931.96 on April 20th. It is down 9% over the past 24 hours and is trading at $79 at press time. And the last but not the least, Floki Inu. Somebody has launched a brand new cryptocurrency, Floki Inu, off the back of an Elon Musk tweet. You truly cannot make this up, Elon. Naturally, this prompted a huge spike for the popular Shiba Inu, SHIB, altcoin, which saw a 23% spike in the hours following the tweet, according to CoinGecko. Over the weekend, Musk took to Twitter to assert that his new pet Shiba Inu is named Floki. Floki, outside of the crypto world, is the name of a character in the popular TV series Vikings. It is believed that this is where Musk found the inspiration for his new pet Shiba Inu. How many Floki coins are there? As far as we know, Floki has an abundant supply. There are currently 1 trillion coins in circulation, but the total supply is still unknown. In the hours following Musk's tweet, which also happened to be the hours following the birth of this currency altogether, the value spiked by a staggering 3,500%, according to Uniswap. For more information, check out our Floki Inu coin video, link pasted above. The cat-themed coins also feature on our list. Monacoin, Mona. The cat meme cryptocurrency established in January 2014, claims to be the national cryptocurrency payment system of Japan. The cryptocurrency, which hit a 22-month high of $4.23 on April 17, can be purchased through Bitbank, Bittrex, Probit Exchange, Finexbox and Zafe. Mona is up 5.6% during the past 24 hours and is trading at $1.50. Cat token. Cat. Earlier this week, Tiger King star Carol Baskin launched a cat-themed cryptocurrency called Cat, which is described as a fan token. Baskin's Big Cat Rescue, an accredited sanctuary for exotic cats, said it has issued the cryptocurrency to its millions of fans worldwide. The coin is listed on Rally.io at around $0.1233. That is it for now. Remember, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we will like to hear your take in the comment section. Disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed by the Bashbox, or any people mentioned in this video, are for informational purposes only, and they do not constitute financial and investment advice. Investing in or trading crypto assets comes with a risk of financial loss. Always do your own research. Thank you for staying with us. We'll see you in the next videos.